Have you ever been diagnosed by a TCM doctor or acupuncturist with excess heart fire? Do you suffer from insomnia? Do you often have circulation issues, crazy vivid dreams, high blood pressure, or mental health conditions like mania, depression, and anxiety? And if your TCM doctor or acupuncturist mentions some specific foods, greens or herbs to cool your heart down, but you aren't sure how to prepare, cook, or enjoy them, then this cookbook is for you. This cookbook will teach you about heart fire and the fundamental TCM theory of having a cool, calm, and collected heart. The Cooling the Heart Fire cookbook explains why you may have disharmonious heart fire. It gives lifestyle and food therapy suggestions for nourishing and cooling the heart fire chi, plus insights into emotional causes, and dozens of delicious cooling recipes. Just search Dr. Evan Pinto on Amazon and the book will show up on the results page. It's that easy. Dr. Evan Pinto is a licensed acupuncturist and board-certified herbalist. He has been practicing in Shanghai, China since 2012. Along with treating patients, he is a professor at SMIC Institute of TCM in the Philippines and has also taught at Shanghai University of TCM. Kimberly Ashton is a 5 Elements wellness coach, food educator, and author who helps people achieve their health goals by integrating Western nutrition and East Asian culinary wisdom. Her focus at Chi Food Therapy is to support your journey towards better balanced life energies. Go to Amazon.com and search Dr. Evan Pinto to order your cookbooks today.